All right, welcome everyone back to mygardenchannel.com. Today we're going to talk about this windowsill garden seed starting kit. And what a great way to start your vegetable seeds. Maybe you've got herbs, flowers, whatever you want to start inside before before it starts to get warm out again. Especially those that are down in the south. Being the beginning of February, you guys are getting closer to getting stuff outside, maybe late March even, early April. Up here in the north, we're a little further away, probably May at the earliest for us. But I don't normally plug a product unless it's like a grow light. But I feel strongly about this. For one, it's under $20. I do want to mention I am affiliated with Amazon, so portions of the sale do go towards me, and I use it right back to make videos for you guys. But I do make a small portion of this. Just want everybody to know that, and that's why I don't make a lot of videos plugging items. I just don't want to do that. But a lot of times you'll see an item that I'm using that I can put a link down below to. If you guys want to use like the same tool that I'm using, you can go purchase it for yourself. But this was so cool because these kits are designed to go on your windowsill, and you can grow your seeds right by your window. You've got a south-facing window where you get some sunlight in during the day. Great way to start your seeds and have successful germination. You've got the light already. You don't need a grow light. Normally the kitchen is warm. You're cooking or whatever. You've got a warm area. So great product, under 20 bucks. It's got a 4 out of 5 star rating. It's got over 1,500 ratings for this product, so it's very popular. And I want to let you guys know right now because it is the beginning of February. You want something to start your seeds in, something that you can reuse, and a value. It's under $20, like I said. So make sure you give it a look. And also down below, I'd like to know if you guys do go out and get this product, how does it work for you? How did it work out? Well, that's it. That's all I've got for you today. We'll see you guys in the next video.